Good morning, guys. It is a Tuesday morning. It is the 15th of December. I feel like I'm missing someone's birthday, but Rotani wanna during the day. And we are closing our offices today. I don't think much is going to be happening. Before I get into everything, welcome to another video, Vlogmas. I hope you guys really enjoyed the last video. I personally did. Love those two people that I was with. So yeah, welcome to another Vlogmas 12 days of Christmas, whatever we're gonna call it. Sitting in front of you, for those who don't know and seeing me for the first time, is Mapula Maple Sotosa. I am an attorney, content creator, and a small business owner, and we are doing Vlogmas. Okay, so today is the last day of work. I work in Pretoria. I work with 2 secretaries, and there's another branch in Rosebank, Johannesburg. So tomorrow is our boss's birthday. Okay, so everybody was like, maybe let's do something nice and whatever. So and then we're gonna see what's happening, because I really don't know what's gonna happen. I need to send my heads of arguments today. I am done. I'm done with all my trial matters, guys. That makes me so happy. All the matters that have been allocated to me that had trials, road accident fund, have been settled. Okay? I am so happy, as you guys can see, and I'm thinking of going home on Thursday, but I ordered a bag. I ordered a bag that I really wanted it to be part of my holiday theme, and I'm just worried that I'm gonna have to wait for it until Friday, and this lady's not even sure that this bag is gonna be here by Friday because lockdown and things are just stuck in the sea, you know. So I'm just hoping that, because she did say that there's delays. She's been broadcasting on her page on Instagram, like, guys, there are delays, but things are on the way. But then now we gotta go home, honey. We gotta look cute. And yeah, that's not happening. I'm getting tired. So anyway, I'm gonna get ready. Because it's like a chilled day, I'm thinking of just wearing a basic linen dress. But something that I know about Joburg is that place can get cold. Honey, Joburg can get cold. I'm thinking of wearing this linen dress. It's short sleeves. So this is the dress. It's short. I was thinking of wearing it with these slides, but I think it will be a safer option for me to wear it with my white sneakers and also take my denim jacket or my blue jacket. So you know, but we'll just to see how it all looks, because I don't want to wear pants. I want to just be comfortable and chilled. So anyway, I'm done bathing. I'm just going to do a little bit of makeup. I'm not going to do a full face because, I mean, ooh. Oh. I think I need to cut my wig cap just so that it's not too tight, because I'm already feeling a little bit of dizziness. And it cannot be from not eating, because yesterday I had quite a big meal. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a bit of makeup. I'm super excited, and I don't want to waste any time because I have to send something, and I want to send it immediately when it hits 8:30. So it's 8 o'clock right now, and I think I'll be done by 8:15 with getting dressed and doing my makeup and picking in a small lunch, or a small breakfast. But my breakfast is going to be very unhealthy because it's ribs and wings. Don't judge me, December, guys. Okay, guys, let me stop yabbering, and let me just go do my makeup. I'm not going to show you my makeup so that this video is not too long, because I just go crazy. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to click that notification bell. And if you want to enter the 1K giveaway, tell me why you deserve to get the 1,000 South African rands. Okay? everybody. This is the last day. As I told you in the morning, I just got back from Rosebank. Obviously, I couldn't shoot in the office because people are not comfortable, and it's a professional environment. So taking out the camera and trying to shoot content. You guys, I'm sitting in front of my window and I am so shiny because of what? Sunscreen. Okay, cool. So this is the gift that I got. I showed you guys. So I'm going to unbox it from you. So they ordered it from Selvin Siegel Gift Center, and it says here that, guys, it has been a tough year and the firm appreciates your hard work and dedication. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a relaxing holiday. And it says our boss's name. How cute. We'll put that over there. Oh, I don't want to open it. It is so pretty. But it has to happen. Okay, so here's the handle. Here's the rest of the umbrella. And I think I just gotta press it. And then it opens. Oh, it's like a 2-layer type of umbrella. It has these little nozzles that I have to put them in there. So it looks like this on the inside. And when you close it, it's how it looks. And I actually don't have an umbrella. Angel nugget biscuits. These look nice. And we have these. Oh, caramel popcorn. Oopsie. Yeah, definitely. Keep them. Like a Chinese. These are nice. These are from the light coating. Yeah, it's not like too sweet. You know the diddle daddle. I have nothing against diddle daddles, but they can get very sweet. Save. And this is hand lotion, hand cream. Soft caramel. I hope these are wrapped separately. These are honey nuggets. I hope they are wrapped separately. Oh no, I think they are. You know why? I'm creating like a gift box. So throwing some of these things in there would make it look so cute. Oh, look at that. Hey guys, sorry for that ending so abruptly. My battery died. So I was saying that I'm creating my own little gift packages. I'll show you when I'm done with one of them. So I bought a few little items here and there, very silly, buy two for one type of thing. So I created a little care pack thing. So I just, like, when I got this gift that I got from my boss, I just figured it's got too many chocolates, it's got too many biscuits, the nuggets and all that, and I can't eat all that sweet stuff on my own. So why not include it in my care pack? So it will be the next clip that I show to you guys. I don't really want to show too much what's in there because the person who's getting it might be watching the video. So I just want to show you like what I did. Maybe I'll just show you the packet of how I wrapped the things that I got here. But yeah, guys, let me just do that, and I'll obviously be back in a second for you guys, but for me it will be a little bit later because I would have been busy doing those things. Okay, so you guys saw that I got nuggets, I got Ferrero Rochers, I got caramel, and I got biscuits. So luckily for us, some of those things come wrapped individually, so I can preserve them and then put them in a little thing. So I've got a nugget in there, Ferrero Rochers, I've got 2 toffees in there, and at the bottom I've got 2 chocolate biscuits. And I just wrapped it in here, which is the bigger one from the gift that I got from my boss. And I put this little gold thingy, and it's going to be part of this gift package that I got, and that's all you're getting from it. Okay guys, from me to you, thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in. Tomorrow is going to be a very chilled day. I'm literally not going to do anything, and I'm going to start packing up my bag for leaving. I'm going to buy my bus ticket for Thursday morning, hopefully. But I just spoke to the girl who has to give me my bag that I ordered from her, and she says that that bag is going to be here by Thursday. So now I'm not sure if I should like get a bus ticket early in the morning or later in the afternoon. But also later in the afternoon, delivery guys like knock off at 5, so that would be a bummer. And I didn't want to travel on Friday because on Friday me and my boyfriend have like a weekend away planned, so I wanted to spend Thursday at home, take all my bags there and pack a smaller bag and then go with him to the weekend away. But and I don't want to be pressurizing this girl with a bag because I have been pressurizing her. So Mukileni, I'm caught in between the two. I'm really caught in between the two. Push comes to shove, I might leave early in the morning. I might leave early in the morning on Friday, so that at least I go home and then me and my boyfriend can pick me up, and then we can go to our weekend away, which I cannot wait. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. We are sitting on 995. 5 more people, 1K, 1,000 rand coming your way to one lucky subscriber. Thank you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and don't forget to follow me on my social media platform. I am Mapula_Sethosa absolutely everywhere. I will leave my links down below in the description box. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will also leave a link of the gift package place because I saw from the card where it is. Salvin Siegel Gift Center. But I'll just leave a link below just so if you want to buy a gift there, you can also just do it, because I feel like they really wrapped it so pretty, made it look so nice and so special for anyone who gets it. So yeah guys, thank you, peace out, love you, bye.